Ready to level up your skills? Join us at a Level Up workshop. These events are designed to help you dive into diverse topics that are relevant to student entrepreneurs, no matter your field of study. Each workshop is led by a community expert with real-world experience in their industry. You'll get hands-on knowledge and insights that you can apply to your own ventures or studies. It's a great way to expand your skill set, and it doesn't stop there. Our workshops are also a fantastic opportunity to meet and connect with like-minded colleagues. You'll be able to build your network in a welcoming and supportive environment, all while learning something new. Best of all, these workshops are free and open to students and faculty throughout the UH system. So, don't miss out. Join us for the next Level Up workshop and take your skills and connections to the next level. See you there!